Okay, today we're concentrating on some landscape lighting that's not working, and they don't know exactly why it's not working. We got landscape lights that come all around here. First thing we need to do is count them and figure out how many watts they are a piece. That's the first thing we need to do, and figure out if the transformers are working. It's the second thing. Come on around here, it's good. There's another one, and I've got them all around the back. Start with whoever did this appears to have put them all on one transformer. That's not the way they need to be done either. Okay, that's the solar one. That's another thing you do, is figure out which ones are solar and which ones aren't. Okay, the solar ones, that's not a solar. This one is a solar. It's got a little solar thing on top of it. But we're just dealing with the other ones. So we'll find out what's going on with them. Okay, here's the main problem right here. Transformer is way too small. It's a little 50 watt transformer. And it's dripping water, if you can see. Slap full of water. That is the problem that's with it. So what we're going to do to begin with, first thing we're going to do is replace these transformers. These are not LED, they're incandescent. So they're pulling about 20 watts a piece. So we're going to figure these up and see what size transformer we need. We got 8 of them on each one. We're going to put them on 2 different circuits, 8 a piece. So that's 8 times 20, which will be 160 watts. So we're going to put a 200 watt transformer that we brought just in case, a couple of them. We're going to put them on there. Okay. So hey, Scott. Scott's on video now. Anyway, we're putting one of these 200 watt transformers on. We're going to go with, we put both wires, one out of each set of wires, to the common. See where it says common right there? Put both them up underneath the common. And we're going to go to the 15 volt to get these a little bit brighter. And this is a little further, we're going to go to 15 volt. So we just put both of these under that one. I'm going to do that and I'll come right back. Okay, we got them working now on the back. The new transformer, it's working just fine. This one had a bad bulb in it. If you can see, it don't no more. Had to put it on test on the transformer to see. Now this one right here is not working, and we figured out why. The guy who did this job, it never worked. He didn't hook it up. So anyway, we're going to tie it back in. We found the wire running from that one to that one, and we have one more not working. And Scott's over there working on the connections on it. We checked the bulb. The bulb is in good shape. The only thing that's wrong is the connection where it's tying in. And the reason we know that it's where it's tying into it, the one before it is working, and the one past it is working. This particular one's not working, so it's either a bad light fixture or a bad connection. One of the two. But we will find that out.